Hello, welcome back to Cups by Courtney. I thought I would do a little small tutorial on these slim can koozies on doing the lid. This is one that I did and it is gorgeous. Here is the bottom and here is the top. And I've had a couple people ask me how I did the top. Most people leave them plain, which I totally get it because it's a lot easier to just leave them plain. But I decided I would give it a whirl and epoxy and glitter the top. So as you can see, this is just a regular pool noodle. I have just taken this little cap off and stuck it on there. I have already put epoxy on here one time, but I'm going to do the final on the lid. I sanded it as usual. You can also put like some Vaseline if you like on the inside right here. There is a little rubber lip. You can put some Vaseline right there and it'll help, you know, protect it. But you can also just take a razor blade and get the epoxy off, but be careful, you know, so you don't cut it. But this is how I epoxy it. I take my epoxy and just dab a little on my finger and go around the rim. Just very little. You don't want too much on here, but enough to self-level it. Okay, and so around the outside lip, you want to be very careful. And I just take my glove finger and just dab it on there. You can tap away if you like. I do that too. Go around one more time. And try not to get it on the pool noodle because we all know it'll try to stick to that pool noodle, then you'll have that to get off. And nobody likes the whole cleanup mess. I know I don't. It just takes a dab. But I'll let that spin and it'll be ready soon. But once again, this is the slim can koozie. It's so beautiful. I couldn't even make myself put anything on it. But there's the lid. All right, guys. Well, I really hope this little short tutorial helps somebody out. And see you all soon. If you haven't liked my channel yet, make sure you like it. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I will be posting new videos soon. Thank you. Have a great day.